Wow.
You can zoom in and then go out. That's so cool. Alright? Like that? Yeah. Just you can it's right there on the column. I can see it on the column. But they said you should use your hand kind of like a control, like a mouse, to be able to click on it. Move, pinch hand, and pivot alignment.
Just slide this on. Use it almost like a welding hood, but just for quality control check, for layout. I mean, I'm constantly measuring with the model on my iPad. Coordination would be the main phase that would help for us.
This is exactly what I'm seeing in the office, but you can actually get real life, which is great for a lot of remodels, especially hospitals. Because a lot of times there we can't even see what's already been built. So being able to walk through with what we do versus what they already have would be great. Well, obviously on the blueprint you don't have 3D, so you can't see layers on it. You can only see like an overhead looking down. And there's usually a lot of lines running above or below each other, which you know the general area where it's supposed to be, but you don't have an idea of elevation. The best one I can see is definitely for remodels where we don't know what's already there. So then we could use this to really get an idea of how we need to coordinate around what's already there.
So we got a duct squeezing between those two conduit racks right there.
That's awesome.
Very cool.